In this video, let us see how to install Microsoft Power BI desktop version on Windows 10 operating system. First of all, open your browser and search Power BI desktop. Click on this link Power BI desktop from Microsoft.com. So this is the download page for Microsoft Power BI desktop. Click on Advanced Download Options. Under the Microsoft Power BI desktop section, you can select the Power BI desktop language. I will keep the default language English. Click download. Here you can select Power BI desktop version you want to download, 64-bit or 32-bit. I will select the 64-bit Power BI desktop version. So check this checkbox and click download. This will start downloading the Power BI desktop installer. Once the download is finished, open the downloaded file. Double-click the installer to start installation. Power BI installation setup has started. Select language. I will select English. Click next. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Click yes to confirm. Click next. Accept the terms in the license agreement. Check this checkbox. Click next. By default, setup will install Power BI desktop to C program files. You can change the install location from here. I will keep the default installation location. Click next. If you keep this checked, the setup will create a desktop shortcut for Power BI. So I will keep this checked. Click install. Wait until the installation is finished. Power BI desktop installation is finished. I will uncheck Launch Power BI desktop after installation. Click Finish. Power BI desktop shortcut is visible on the desktop. You can either click this desktop shortcut to launch Power BI desktop, or you can go to search and type Power BI and click this Power BI desktop menu to launch Power BI desktop. So in this video, you have learned how to download and install Power BI desktop on Windows 10 operating system. Thank you for watching.